Hello everyone, today we will present our research about implementing CNN LSTM method to analyze driver condition. We are from group 14 and we will introduce our group member. First we have,
Alberto Kadir.
and second myself, Siko Abetu Giardino, and last,
I'm Nathanael Ermastiawan.
okay, next. Next. Okay, now we have abstract. Driving accidents are the one of the global problem that often occur in the today. One of the cause of driving accident is driver who drive in unstable conditions such as fatigue, drowsiness, and emotion stress. To overcome this problem, face emotion recognition technology is present as a proactive safety measure. By integrating FR technology into four-wheel vehicle, through dashboard camera is aimed to detect the driver condition in real time while driving. By using IVR system that combine the convolutional neural network and long short-term memory algorithm, where CNN play as a role interacting facial feature and network, while STM play a role to temporal pattern recognition. This study shows that AI-based technology can be one of the driving safety method because this FAR technology function as an early warning mechanism where the driver is detected in an unstable condition. So this technology has to be potential to reduce driving accident caused by driver driving in unstable condition. In addition, this research is also a form of contribution to support for the development of intelligent transportation systems that are currently being developed. By combining the FVR technology into four-wheel vehicle, it can improve driving safety and user comfort while driving. Next. Next, we have introduction. Traffic accident are one of the world problems that often occur today. One of the cause of traffic accident that often occur is because the driver is driving in unstable condition, such as the driver is sleepy, tired, and stressed. Therefore, to reduce the frequency of traffic accident, we can utilize FVR technology that can detect the condition of the driver when driving in real time. This technology utilizes the convolutional neural network algorithm and the long short-term memory algorithm. CNN itself play a role in extracting facial feature in order to detect the condition of the driver, while STM play a role in analyzing the pattern of the change in facial expression over time. By utilizing technology, it can reduce the frequency of traffic accident caused by driver who drive in a stable condition. In addition, by implementing and developing this research in the automotive industry is one of the contribution improvement intelligent transportation system that can improve driving safety. Next. The next is literature review. First, we have driving emotion detecting using CNLSTM. Various facial recognition techniques have been widely studied to support the accuracy of the FR system. FR technology to detect driver condition use the NLSTM algorithm. Next, the multimodal approach in driver emotion recognition. This study use a multimodal approach, namely combining motor activity data and driver facial data to detect driver emotion. Combining both data can improve the accuracy of the system in detecting driver conditions such as conscious, sleepy, and tired. Model architecture CNN LSTM, the CNN serve as a deep learning architecture framework that is notably successful for image analysis tasks such as facial expression recognition. The LSTM is a full recurrent neural network designed to solve the variation gradient issue with the help of memory cell and gating mechanism. Next.
I'm Nathan, and I'm going to deliver the research methodology. This research methodology is systematically designed to build and evaluate a deep learning model capable of analyzing driver conditions. The stages of the methodology include independent data collection, pre-processing for standardization, dataset sharing and balancing, model architecture design, and training and evaluation process configuration. For the data collection, we made custom datasets ourselves, and there are 6 facial expressions as angry, fear, happy, sad, sleepy, and surprised. For each recorded video, 10 consecutive image frames were extracted to form a single data sequence, which will be used to train the model to recognize temporal expression pattern. For the data preprocessing, we converted the image frame to grayscale format and its size standardized to 112 times 112 pixels. The pixel values are normalized into the range 0 and 1 by dividing each value by 255 to stabilize the training process. The process frames are then rearranged into a sequence with the final shape of 10 number of frames, with height and width 112 and color channels 1. For the data sharing, next. For the data sharing and balancing, the dataset is then divided into 80% training data and 20% testing data. This process uses a stratification method to ensure that the proposition of each emotion class remains balanced in both datasets. To deal with the uneven number of samples, a class weight balance strategy is applied during training to give a higher loss weight to the minority class, so that the model can learn to recognize all classes more fairly. As for the training and evaluation configuration, the model was compiled using the Adam optimizer and the categorical cross entropy with learning rate 0.0005. The training process was then monitored with model checkpoint, early stopping with the patience of 15, and reduced learning rate on plateau callbacks. Model performance was evaluated using accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, and commission metrics. Next. As for the overall performance of the model training process runs efficiently and stops at the 51st approach out of the total of 100 planned. This process automatically stopped by the early stopping callback, indicating that the model has reached its optimal performance point on the validation data and has successfully prevented overfitting. The final evaluation on the test data shows very satisfying results. The proposed model managed to achieve an overall accuracy of 92%. This high level of accuracy proves that the model architecture is able to generalize well on data that has never been seen before.
For the training and evaluation, the classification report table, it shows that the model has excellent performance with high F1 score for angry, happy, and sleepy with 0.95, 0.94, and 0.92 respectively. Here we have perfect precision for happy and sad class, which is 1, and then every predicted label for this emotion is correct, which means this model has high confidence and 0 false positive. We also have a perfect recall for angry and sleepy class, and then all the two samples of the emotion are detected. This is very important because it shows that it can detect sleepiness. For the case, we have sad class, a precision of 1 and a recall of 0.78. A precision means that every time the model predicts sad expression, it is 100% correct. It's never wrongly labeled the other emotion as sad. But because of the recall, it means that the model only managed to detect 78% of the total data. The remaining 22% were missed or possibly predicted as other class. Another case, for angry class, with a perfect recall, which means that the model successfully identified all angry expression in the test data, but with a less slightly accurate precision, which means that out of all the prediction the model made as angry, 91% were actually angry. A small portion, 9%, were misclassified like some other emotions such as fear. For the confusion matrix, it shows that most predictions lie on the main diagonal part of the matrix that indicates a high number of correct classification for each class. A specific highlight for the class angry, we get 9 out of 10 samples correctly classified. Sleepy, we get a perfect sample classified, which shows the critical accuracy for detecting drowsiness in drivers. Some common misclassification patterns are, for sad class, we get 7 out of 9 correctly identified, as one misidentified as happy as surprise 2. This probably happens because most likely due to similar visual features among emotion. In conclusion, misclassifications are minimal and explainable, and overall the confusion matrix confirms the reliability and robustness of the model. In conclusion, this study successfully designed, trains, and deploys a custom CNN LSTM-based model architecture for task of classifying driver states and emotions from sequential facial data. Based on the evaluation result, it can be concluded that the proposed model is very effective and successfully achieved an overall accuracy on 92% on the test data. The model shows particular strength in identifying crucial states such as sleepy and angry with 100% recall and has perfect precision. For limitation, the main limitation of this study lies in the source and amount of data. Since this dataset was created independently and has relatively small size sample for deep learning model development standard, although the cross-branching strategy has helped, it may limit the generalizability of the model to diverse real population and condition. Here are the references that we use in our paper and this presentation. And thank you for listening.